Real quick look at these lint rollers. I'll tell you exactly why I got the 3-pack. This one you give to your kids. This one you keep for yourself. And then this one you put hidden in your drawer when the kids steal this one because they lost this one. So then you still have a lint roller. That's the plan. That's why you get 3. Now, if you don't have kids, you just have lint rollers for a long time. But that's the why. Now let's look at the what. This is really... Okay, I didn't do a very good job of that. All right. This is captivating television right here. Watching me try to get this off. Gonna call in the reinforcements here. All right, there we go. So, you know what? We'll give that one to the kids. This one here this will be mine. All right. As for the roller itself, handle's fine. I just need to make sure it doesn't slip off too easy. It does come off, but there's good resistance. A lot of resistance, actually, that's good. And then it's plenty sticky, but how hard is it to get off? Oh, it's got all these little lines. At least it tells you the arrows, where to get them. All right, let's see. Grab that one right there. It'd be nice if I had a fingernail. You know what? Give that one to the kids too. One more. 3rd time's a charm. All right. Let's see how this does. Okay, so there's the arrow, but it's actually a little further back. So I'm gonna pull back there. Grab that. Comes off nicely. Very sticky. I like it. This one's mine. This is the kids. This will be my backup. No, this will be my backup right here because this will be the one I end up with because this one will be stolen. So there we go. Mine, children's. If you're in the mood or in the need for lint rollers, this looks just about like any other lint roller and it was affordable. So I got it. Hope that helps.